All right, so today's lesson we're looking at place value. Now, number systems probably started with something that everyone walks around with, 2 hands, okay? And obviously, you can count things using your finger. 1, 2, 3, etc. Of course, this becomes a little problematic if you've got 1 rock, 1. If you have 2 rocks, obviously 2. But what happens when you got a whole bucket full of rocks? You got a problem. So, number systems came into being. This is from ancient Sumeria, and you can see it's a system of slash marks and kind of like, I don't know what you describe it, V's gone sideways. Later on down the road, we had the Roman numeral system. You may see this from time to time. It's Super Bowl 33, Super Bowl 55. And it's a system. That's a 1 that I just erased. Let me get my pen back up here. That's a 2. That's a 3. And the rule is, this is a 5, and if the 1 is on this side, then it's a 4. And if the 1 is on that side, it's a 5. No, wait, it's a 6. But you don't have to worry about Roman numerals. But the point is that regardless of whether it's the Roman numeral system or the Sumerian system, there are rules about number systems. Now, obviously, we're using this number system, and there's rules about it that you already know. It's just that you probably don't think about it very often. If you see this at the store, you probably know that that's a penny. This is the penny position. So in this case, you need 1 cent to buy this item. You don't need any dimes. Here, you just need 1 dime because the 1 is in the dime position. Here, this is a dollar. That's the dollar position. Okay, and you don't need any dimes and you don't need any pennies. Now, when you write a number, let's say, I don't know, 34.85. Each slot has a value, and those values are these. This is the set of rules that we operate. This slot is the hundredths spot, 1/100th. This spot is the tenths spot, 1/10th. When you cross over the decimal, you get into the ones, like the dollar, the 10, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, the 100,000s, and last that we'll worry about today, the millions. So, if you have a number, I don't know, let's say 231.10. You have 200 plus 30 plus 1 plus 1/10. And if you add those all together, let's make it dollars since we were going with dollars before. You have $231.10, or if we're not using dollars, 231.1. Okay? All right, so in your book, you're going to see a layout just like this, and what you have to know is what each one of the spots is worth. So this is something that you're going to want to memorize. Thousands, well, let's start from the other side. Millions, 100,000s, 10,000, the 1,000 slot, 100 slot, 10 slot, 1 slot, tenths, and last that you have to worry about, the 100 slot. Welcome to our number system.